guys asked for some quick and easy lunch. We're having shrimp today. You can never go wrong with shrimp and some leftovers. Now, on my page, you won't see as much shellfish because my husband is allergic to it. But when I can get some, I usually have it for lunch. But could be great for dinner as well. So let me show you what I did today. This is the brand shrimp that I use. You'll probably hear the microwave go off. This is so good. So it's reduced sodium. But I love these, and I got this from Aldi. And they have different sizes, but the colossal was on sale, so that's what I went with. So how I style my plate is like the My Plate method style. I want to share this. This is for education purposes because I'm a registered dietitian. So half of my plate, fruits and or vegetables. Today I'm doing leftover vegetables, and then half of my plate whole grains or starchy vegetables, and I have potatoes. And then 1/4 is going to be protein. And what I love about the shrimp, for 4 ounces, it is 19 grams of protein. So that's a nice amount of protein. I like to keep my protein in the higher end. So I'm going to show you 2 ways. So this is my lunch. I have the leftover vegetables, potatoes, and shrimp. I am low on a potato. You'll see what I had for dinner. And then this is how I traditionally eat on a regular plate. So balance out. And then for dinner, I had chicken wings, potatoes. You have an extra potato, and the vegetables, because this is what I'm looking for, balance. I was just low on potatoes since it was left over for lunch. And this was my dinner the day before. So this is really balanced. You guys asked about that. And this is what I typically eat. I love doing a lot of leftovers. I like to meal prep and make 2 recipes a week. And so that way I don't have to cook every day for my husband and I. And it really works out. I hope this helps.